This is a figure classification question. 3 figures at the top share a hidden rule. Your job is to find the 4th figure that follows the same rule. Look at the 3 figures. 3 completely different shapes. That is deliberate. The shape is a costume. It changes every time so that you will look at it, and looking at it tells you nothing. Ignore the outline. Look at the coloring instead. 3 things stay the same in all 3 figures. 1. Whatever the shape is, it has 4 equal parts, 1 in each of 4 positions around the middle. 2. Exactly 2 of those parts are colored, 1 grey, 1 black, and they are always neighbors. They touch along an edge, never corner to corner. 3. In the middle sits a small circle with 1 colored quarter. Now put your finger on it and draw a straight line through the center and out the other side. The outer part you land on must be the same color. That 3rd rule is the hard one, but the 2nd rule is the fast one, and that is where you start. Check it on the first figure. Black at the top left, grey at the top right. 2 of the 4 parts, side by side, touching. The inner circle is grey at the bottom left. Draw your line. From bottom left, through the middle, out to the top right. Grey. It matches. Now the hexagon. Black at the bottom left, grey at the bottom right, touching again. Inner circle is black at the top right. Draw the line. From top right, through the middle, out to the bottom left. Black. It matches. Same rule, different costume both times. So you are looking for 3 things. 4 equal parts, 2 touching colors, 1 grey and 1 black, and an inner color that matches the parts straight across the middle. Now clear the board. Start with the fast test. Are the 2 colored parts touching? C. Black at the top right, grey at the bottom left. Corner to corner, not touching. Gone. D. Top right and bottom left again, and both are black. No grey at all in the outer shape. Gone. E. Black top left, grey bottom right. Corner to corner. Gone. 3 options, 1 test, a few seconds. Only 2 left. And now the harder test. B. The outer colours are fine. Grey and black, side by side on the right. But check the inner circle. It is grey at the top left. Go straight across the middle, bottom right. That part is black. Grey does not match black. Gone. Which leaves A.